Hi everyone and welcome to my Mac Masterclass series tutorials. This one is actually really an iconic image for me. This is connected to one of my favourite video game franchises of all time, Final Fantasy. Now, when I was so little, I was given Final Fantasy 7, 8, and I went out and got 9 before I even played the first 2. I just thought, wow, I've got to get them all. I'm a collectionist, so I've got to have everything. So I would play these video games and it would just be the first time I saw androgynous characters in media. It was just so impactful to me, especially Final Fantasy VIII. I loved Final Fantasy VIII. It was like I lived my life in Final Fantasy VIII. So I wanted to really do something that was inspired at the time by the Sorceress Adele. Now, the Sorceress Adele was kind of like this, almost like Lucifer of the world of Final Fantasy VIII, in the sense that she's sort of genderless and the translation's a bit funky, and she fell from heaven, and there's all this kind of like sort of connotations. You can go into Norse, you can go into Abrahamic religions and find out all this amazing information. That's the stuff I like. If it's got some sort of link to things I can research, I'm one of those people that dives headfirst and researches it. So I was really inspired by all of the illustrations, especially around the sorceress connotation in this game. So I created my own sorceress image, and I remember doing this when this was so many years ago. This was in my very long-term family home that subsided many years ago. I actually got my dad to take this picture, so it's the only picture my dad's ever taken of it. But it's one that I loved because I think it inspired a lot of the queens when they were starting to learn drag. And at this time I was playing with different imagery. I was almost trying to make it sci-fi. So I wanted to do a version of it that was kind of like what I would see today, but mixed with that old school reference. So hopefully you like it. It's got a bit of diamantes in and it's fun. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial series. Please check out my MAC makeup collection. It is the blueprint of all my work. It's the products that I grew up using. Don't forget to grab those stickers. They're really a touch of the JH magic and I hope you love them. So yes, thank you guys for watching.